Hello again, YouTubers. Today I got something different for you. Um, it's a questionnaire. It's something that I'd kept somewhere in. I'm not sure where I got it, but it says, "Please understand me." It's a little test to help understand myself, I guess, and but it's 1 through 70. And a lot of these, I'm pretty much black and white person when it comes to especially the God's Word. Some of these I kind of have A and B both. There's A and B. Uh, Here goes. At a party, do you A, talk to many people? No. B, talk only those people you know? Yes, I do. It's when I used to party. I guess it depends on how high I was. Now, if I was really high, I'd talk to many people, I guess. But today, no, it'd be talk to only those I know. Number two, are you more realistic in the here and now? Somewhat. Or B, more creative, wondering about possibilities? I'm kind of both. But I chose B, more creative, wondering about possibilities, because I have an open mind. Uh, okay, number three. Is it worse to A, have your head in the clouds, be a daydreamer, I've been there, or B, be in a rut, same thing always? I like routine somewhat, but to me it would be B, be in a rut, same thing always. I like to kind of, have my head in the clouds and kind of have time when I'm working or something, just have time to think a little bit about something else maybe. Okay, number four. Are you more impressed by A, rules and the correct order of doing things, or B, emotions and feelings? Well, depends on situation, but I always think of work. When it comes to work, uh, I have to say A, rules and the correct order of doing things, because you have to. Uh, Kind of got it worked out. They got all the little kinks worked out, you could say. But if I find something easier to help me make it easier for me, then I'll do it that way. I'll kind of mix it together. Um, Number five. Are you more impressed by A, hard sound reasoning based on facts, or B, the sense of touching warmth and the heart of others? Well, there it is again. I mean, I like kind of both of that, but I guess I'm more impressed by the sense of touch, warmth, and the heart of others, because without other people that you work with, or you're in church with, worship with, or whatever you're doing with, uh, you do have to pay attention to other people, their feelings. Okay, but I mean, hard sound reasoning and based on facts is good. We need facts. I like facts. I always like the facts, though. So I'm kind of both of that. Number six, do you prefer to work A, to a scheduled deadline, B, to whatever, no schedules? Big time B, to whatever, no schedules. I hate deadlines. Number seven, do you tend to choose A, rather carefully, or B, somewhat quickly? When I was younger, I'd say somewhat quickly, but now I'm getting older. Will be turning 50 in May. I tend to choose rather carefully now. Number 8, at parties, do you A, stay late with increasing energy? Used to, as late as I could. Party animal. Or B, leave early with decreasing energy. Now I'd probably leave early with decreasing energy. B. Excuse me. Number 9, are you more attracted to a sensible, logical, more logical people, or B, imaginative people? There again, I mean, I like both, but as far as I kind of choose B because imaginative people are they're just cool, more cool. Uh, art. I love all the different arts, the music. That's what I see. When I see imaginative, that's what I see art. Okay, number 10. Are you more interested in A, what is real, or B, what is possible? A and B. Open mind again. I mean, we have to have an open mind, but still, what is real? What's the facts? It's kind of hard to choose there. But I chose A, what is real? That's what I want to know in life, everything. Number 11, in judging others, is it more important to look at A, what is real and actual, or B, what the circumstances are at this time, or at that time, I mean. I chose A, what is real and actual, because, I mean, you got to judge correctly here. You got to have the facts, what's real. Number 12, in relationships, is it more important to be A, objective, making decisions for the group based on what's fair? There we are, as a group there. See, group, that could be work or church or any kind of group. Or B, subjective, making decisions based on feelings for individuals. See, I would rather be A, objective, making decisions for the group based on what's fair. Because, you got to think about the whole group. Okay. And let's see, we won't do all these. There's 70, so I mean, try to do a few more. Are you more punctual on time, or B, leisurely, only concerned about time if it's very crucial? Oh, I'm very, very punctual. I'm even early. I'm definitely A. I'm beyond that though. When I die, I'll be the first one in my funeral. Does it bother you more to have things A, incomplete, not finished, or B, complete, finished? It bothers me more to have things incomplete, not finished. 15. Is your social groups in your social groups, do you A, keep up with what's going on with everyone, or B, get behind on the news? I've always been B, get behind on the news. I really don't care about all the whatever's going on. Just give me the what's important, the highlights or whatever. Number 16, in doing ordinary daily things, do you A, do it the usual way like most people would, or B, do it your own way? Well, see, I'm kind of both of that, but I use logic, being practical and doing things, changing around what works best for me. Some common sense there. 17, writers should A, say what they mean and mean what they say, or B, allow you to decide how things should be interpreted. I don't like that in movies and books as far as the B, allowing you to decide how things should be interpreted. I like A, say what they mean and mean what they say. 18, which appeals to you more? A good sound reasoning, or B, happy, harmonious relationships? Definitely B, happy, harmonious relationships. Even though I like the good sound reasoning too. 19, are you more comfortable in making A, logical judgments using thinking, or B, value judgments using feeling? I'm like both. I do have, I think, of feelings, but still, I'm more comfortable with logic judgments using thinking any day. 20, do you want things A, settled and decided, or B, unsettled and undecided? Definitely A, settled and decided. I don't like to be hanging. I guess that's, well, I'm going to try to do 2 pages because we got 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can do 2, I guess. Okay. 21. Would you say you are more serious and determined, or B, easygoing? I'm more B, easygoing. I try to be serious and determined. 22. In telephoning people, do you A, speak without thinking much about what you need to say, or B, rehearse what you will say? Definitely A, I just wing it. I just say whatever comes to mind. 23. Facts. A, are real and rarely needed to be questioned, or B, are only possibilities of what could be? No, definitely A. I'm an A. Are real. Facts are real and rarely needed to be questioned. But these days, with all the conspiracy theories, kind of need to question everything. 24. Dreamers, visionaries, and creative types of people. A, are somewhat annoying, or B, are rather fascinating. Dreamers and visionary and creative people to me are rather fascinating. They have an open mind. To me, anyway. So I guess that's good for today. I don't want to make this too long. Do a couple parts. Well, thanks for listening, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.